Welcome to BayCoast Bank's mobile app. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to easily add a new card to card controls. Let's dive in and make managing your card simple and secure. On your app home screen, the navigation bar is located at the bottom. It allows easy access to features and sections with a tap, like the Card Controls feature. To access card controls, tap the More icon, the three horizontal lines. The More screen offers a variety of options, including card controls, money management, and easy money transfers. Tap on Card Controls on the More screen to access the card control features. In the newly opened Card Controls section, you can view your cards, check recent transactions, and toggle your card on or off. To add a new card, simply swipe right to left on your visually displayed card or tap the right arrow. On the newly displayed Add Card screen, tap on Add Card. Here you will need to enter the card number in manually, or you may utilize the scan feature to automatically input the card number by using your mobile device's camera. Once your card number has been entered, tap on Continue. The card will then undergo the verification process, and once it has been verified, you will be prompted to provide additional information to confirm your identity. After completing the verification step, your card will now be visible on your Card Controls dashboard, showcasing recent transactions and allowing you to turn your card on or off. That's it! Now you know how to take control of your card anytime, anywhere with the BayCoast Bank Mobile App. If you haven't already, download the app and start managing your card with confidence today. Thanks for watching!